Hey Reed, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over a few things you could start doing to help increase your business through a few digital marketing strategies. Primarily we're going to be looking at search engine optimization. My partner Nate spoke with Ron last week. He said this is something you guys might be interested in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shoot you a quick SEO audit, just show you a few tips, tricks, and tools you guys could use in-house for free to start growing your business and your digital marketing. And if you like what you hear and you want to see what else I can offer to improve client base and get in more customers to the door, then just go ahead and reach out. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, I will say I do like the aesthetic of your site. I like all the neat things you could see, like the way this like 3D design is. And just some of the information on here. However, I will say that aesthetics isn't necessarily something that's looked at from an SEO standpoint. So the first thing we actually look at is content. You're definitely meeting the minimum. I can just tell by looking. But the minimum is 1,500 words. That's kind of what the Google algorithm looks for. Now, a tool that you guys can get for free is called SEO Quake. It's a plugin. Actually shows me that I'm wrong, right? So I thought you had 1,500 and it's showing me you only have 938. So just adding a few more words, adding some content in this area, and probably down here, just anywhere you can add content will help you grow a few spots in Google, help you rank up a little bit higher. But what content really allows us to do is get more keywords on there. So what is a keyword? Well, a keyword is anything plugged into this Google search bar, whether that be roofing company Chicago, Chicago company roofing, Chicago roofing, roofing in Chicago, Naperville roofing, so on and so forth. It's not a single word, but it's anything typed in Google and searched as a keyword search. So I typed in, as you saw, just simply roofing company Chicago. Maybe I'm a customer looking for some roofing, and your number one competitor right here is this Matthews Roofing. So we can see that they also have a nice looking site. They got a decent amount of content. They might not be hitting that 1,500 word marker, but let's just see. No, they're at 1,062. So they only have about 100 more than you, not even a full 100. A little over 100, about 130 words more. But the content isn't what's getting them up there. It's their keywords, and let's look more in depth at that. So another tool I use is called Ahrefs, and you can use this tool as well. It's about $250 a month for a subscription. But what I want to do is look at the keywords, right? So let's dive in here. So we open the keywords, and we can see they're being found for Chicago roofing, roofing company Chicago, roofing contractors, so on and so forth. You can read those. But what I want to draw your attention to is two areas. One, volume. So the volume number is the average search volume per keyword per month. So for example, roofing Chicago was searched 300 times this month, and that was updated as of 4 days ago. Roofing company Chicago 350 times was searched, and that was 13 November. So that one's going to update soon. Roofing contractors in Chicago, you get the picture. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is the position. They're number 2 in Google, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 2. You can see. Now, the reason that's important is Google releases their click rate statistics. And statistically, 80% of people won't scroll past the first page, in Google. 80% of people will not scroll past the first page in Google. So what does that say? That says if you're not in those first 10, but really the first 6, then you're not going to get clicked on. So how do you get up there and stay up there? I'm glad you asked. Looking back at this, what I want to focus on is their search engine optimization, or SEO, off-site. And that's backlinks. Now what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, there's a bit of a transfer of power from the previous website. So if site A is pointed at site B, then site B would get site A's power. Now, I say all that to say that you need not only quantity backlinks, as we can see here, but quality. You want to make sure you're getting them from websites with good power and relevant to your business. So I ran you as well, and we can see that you have 189 backlinks with 49 referring domains compared to their 926 and 148. Also, you're being found for 254 keywords where you're in the top 3 and 5, and they're being found for 1.4 thousand, top 3 of 94. Lastly, just to show you that all of this works, is you can see the stuff that you're putting in, and you're getting roughly 262 organic visitors a month. They're getting 1.4 thousand. So think, if you had that many people visiting your site monthly and you only converted 10% of them to sales, that's 140 customers more a month. So it really does work. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content, getting 1,500 words or more on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords, and I just showed you how much volume and important it is to have that. Lastly, we discussed the importance of search engine optimization, specifically off-site backlinking. Now, if you want to know more, or you want to hear what else we can offer and how we can get you to the top of Google and stay at the top of Google, then you can give me a call or respond to this email. My number is 813-515-3488. Thank you. Have a great day.